In the vast, silent expanse of space, we often look up and wonder, are we truly alone? In October 2025, a story began to unfold that would challenge everything we thought we knew. It started with an interstellar object, designated 3IATLAS, which astronomers identified as a simple comet passing through our solar system. But on the fringes of the internet, on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, a different narrative was taking shape. Dozens of videos, grainy and unsettling, began to appear. They claimed Atlas wasn't a comet at all. It was, they said, a mothership. The footage, though blurry, showed circles highlighting what the creators called geometric structures on the object's surface. Whispers of a Galactic Federation and cryptic warnings filled the comment sections. One phrase appeared over and over: the mothership is sleeping, and it's about to wake up. Now, it's easy to dismiss this as just another internet conspiracy theory. We've all seen them before, but this was different. The videos started getting specific, frighteningly specific. They mentioned exact dates for Atlas's trajectory, and cited technical details about its composition that had not been made public by any official source. How could these anonymous channels know this? The unease began to grow. The turning point came from a Reddit post. A user, claiming to be an employee at a major observatory, wrote a panicked message. "I don't know how this is possible," the post read. "But these mothership videos, they have access to our real-time data. Things we haven't released. I'm scared." The post was a bombshell, but it vanished within an hour, deleted without a trace. The user's account was gone too. This was no longer just a theory. It felt like a cover-up in real time. Then, on October 21st, 2025, as 3IATLAS slipped behind the sun, lost from our view, something truly bizarre happened. Every single one of the mothership channels went silent. Simultaneously, every video was deleted. Every account suspended. It was as if a switch had been flipped, wiping them all from existence. But just before the blackout, one channel managed to post a final 11-second video. The message was chilling. They know we know. Atlas is not alone. Count the shadows. Count the shadows. The words echoed in the digital void. What did they mean? The mystery deepened, catching the attention of a respected astronomer in Japan. Intrigued and disturbed, he decided to investigate. He pulled the archived high-resolution images of Atlas taken before it disappeared. Using advanced enhancement techniques, he started analyzing the object's surface in minute detail, and that's when he found them. Shadows, but these weren't random, natural shadows cast by an uneven, icy surface. They were geometric. They formed perfect right angles and impossibly straight, parallel lines. It was a pattern that shouldn't exist on a comet. NASA was quick to issue a statement, dismissing the findings. They called the shadows a result of ice sublimation, a normal cometary phenomenon. But the Japanese astronomer knew better. He searched the entire astronomical database. No other comet, ever, had displayed shadows with such perfect, artificial-looking geometry. He continued his work, meticulously mapping every single shadow from every available image. He layered them all onto a single composite image, hoping a clearer picture would emerge. And it did. The collection of shadows, when pieced together, formed a distinct structure. It looked undeniably like a city, with grids, towers, and sprawling complexes. He posted his findings online, a single image with a stark conclusion. This is not a comet, this is a ship, and there's something built on it. His post was removed within minutes, but the data was already out there. Others had seen it, and they noticed something even more terrifying. In the very last images taken just before Atlas went behind the sun, the shadows had moved. This wasn't because of the changing angle of the sunlight. The sun's position relative to the object was stable. The structures themselves had shifted position on the comet's surface. One comment, before two was deleted, summed up the growing horror. They're not shadows of buildings. They're shadows of something walking. For weeks, the world held its breath. When Atlas finally emerged from behind the sun in November, astronomers scrambled to get a new look. What they saw was baffling. The shadows were gone. The entire surface was smooth, uniform, and inert. Whatever had been there, whatever had been walking, was no longer on Atlas. The ship, or the transport, was now empty. The silence was deafening until December. One of the original YouTube channels flickered back to life. Just for a moment, it uploaded a single, short video. There was no narration, no dramatic music, just black text on a white background, followed by a hauntingly beautiful image of Earth as seen from space. The text read, "The mothership was never the threat. It was a transport. They're here now. Look for the shadows." The video was online for just 4 minutes. It garnered 12,000 views before it was, once again, scrubbed from the internet, as if it never existed. They're here now. Look for the shadows. The final warning felt like a ghost story, a digital myth, until a photographer in Oregon posted a strange image. He had been taking a long exposure shot of the December night sky, capturing the trails of distant stars. But his photo showed something else. A shadow, not on the ground, where shadows belong, but in the sky itself. A massive, dark shape was blocking out the starlight behind it, and it had straight edges. The photographer was baffled. "What is this?" he asked. "Clouds don't have right angles." His post opened the floodgates. Soon, other photographers from around the globe came forward with similar images. From the deserts of Chile to the mountains of Switzerland, the same phenomenon was being captured. Geometric shadows, high in our atmosphere, visible only through long exposure photography, silently blocking the light from the stars. An aerospace engineer, working with the data from these photos, ran the calculations. He triangulated their positions, estimated their altitude, and calculated their size. His conclusion was staggering. Each shadow, each object, was approximately the size of a modern football stadium. And based on the photographs gathered so far, there were at least 17 of them, positioned strategically around the planet. NASA has remained silent. The government agencies have offered no comment. The original videos that started it all are gone, wiped clean from every corner of the internet, but the message remains, passed through whispers and screenshots. Atlas wasn't a threat, it was a carrier, a delivery vehicle, and whatever it carried, whatever was casting those walking shadows on its surface, is here. They are in our skies, invisible to the naked eye, watching. We can't see them, but we can see their shadows, cast upon the stars. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, what you can't see might be the most important thing to watch for. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive. If this story captivated you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more mysteries from the universe and beyond. Let me know in the comments what you think is casting those shadows. Stay curious and keep looking up.